Hey guys, Mrs. Young here. I am going to go over with you how to do your vocabulary assignment so that you can get started with it at home. So in Notability, this was one of the documents that we put there. So get this opened up. And you can split screen this with your reading essentials because you'll be toggling between the two. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and write MOS right here because that's the chapter that we have, and we have 16 words. So go ahead and get that filled out. And if we look at how this sheet is arranged, we see that there's 5 words on this page. And so this makes 10, this makes 15, and then this is going to be where we get the rest of our words. So we will not use these last 4 here because this page here will be our 16th word. Make sense? Okay. So as far as how I need you to do this, I'm going to write, let's use purple, right? What we're going to do is start with our reading essentials, and I'm going to give you a little hint here that if you scroll all the way to the end of lesson 1, look what you see here. You see that you have yourself a little mini dictionary, and you can write or type, not copy and paste, but write or type these words from using the mini glossary. Or you could come back up and remember how when we saw a vocabulary word, we knew it is bolded and we knew it is italics. So there's our first word if you are going to be doing it straight from the text. So let's say I'm going to do that. So I would write the word science. Oops, didn't change it, did I? Science right here. Then I'm going to do the book definition, not a Google definition, not Google. You're going to go back in and get it from the book. You are going to type or write. No copy and paste. I can tell that when you do that, so don't do that. So that takes care of our first 2 categories. You're going to write the vocab word down. You're going to go in and get the book definition, not a Google definition. You're going to type or write it, no copy and paste. And then this third column over here is going to be an illustration. So it can be an image that you do get from Google, or it can be your own personal drawing, or it can be a combo. So maybe you want to draw for science, but then maybe the next word that we come across, which was, let's come down here to the mini dictionary. The mini dictionary, by the way, is going to have them in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's say maybe you want to draw a hypothesis, but that you want to find an image for observation. Okay, so maybe you want to draw this one, but then this one you want to find an image, and this one you want to find an image. Now, I'll tell you right now, guys, that we're not going to be reading about all of these words, but it's important that you know these words, okay? So there's going to be sections in our book that we don't cover, but I'm still needing you to be familiar with the vocabulary that's associated with this chapter. So this little section at the end of every lesson, this after you read, is going to be super important for you to reference because all of the words here are going to be ones that you put in your in your assignment, okay? So you are going to write the definition or type. You are not going to copy and paste. Got it, guys? Okay, so let's recap what you're going to do. So you're going to have, for your vocab assignment, let's change this to yellow, you're going to write the book definition down. Or, sorry, the book word, the vocab word. You're going to have the book definition. And then you're going to create some type of image or drawing that is connected to that vocab word. It's going to be one that helps you understand and remember the meaning of that word. Okay? So, I will be putting on my page today which words I'm needing you to get accomplished, but we're going to get this first lesson done over the next couple of days. Of course, you can move ahead, work ahead, now that you know the format, now that you know where to find the vocabulary words from this MOS chapter, but you're going to be turning this in at the end for a grade. So all three parts, all three of these things need to be finished to have it be a complete grade, okay? All right, so now you know how to do this vocab assignment. Go ahead and get started at it. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye now.